Oh, you're too close. Back up. Hi, it's me. I'm going out with my friend when she gets out of work, and I am bad at time management, so here I am trying to put makeup on in a timely fashion. I have time. I just hate being late and the idea of being late. So I think I'm running late, but I'm probably gonna be fine. So I'm just gonna throw some makeup on and move on. So anyway, so I just got back from Vegas. Well, I didn't just get back. I've been back for a few days. I went to Vegas for a work conference with Sephora collection. That's a little bit better. I work at Sephora, in case you didn't know, and I am the Sephora collection ambassador. So this conference that I went to was strictly for, there's a hair, I can see it, for these Sephora collection ambassadors. So we all got together and we got to do some workshops and some seminars, and I met Helen Phillips, who is the national artist for Sephora collection. She does all of the makeup for all of the pictures that are like on the gondolas and stuff, and I'm in love with her. That's just it. I am just in love with her. I want to be her. I want to be with her. I want to do everything. And I met her and I kind of panicked a little bit. Okay, so that was Sheer Glow. I wear the color Punjab. Where's my concealer? I'm going to use the Smashbox Studio Skin. Light neutral olive. And this brush, this is one of the Sephora collection dual-ended brushes. It's number 202, so it's like a face brush and a concealer brush. Easy peasy. I brought this to Vegas with me. I'm sorry if you can hear the dryer. I need clothes. I took this brush to Vegas with me because I was like, one less brush to bring, but then I ended up bringing like 8 million eyeshadow brushes and then didn't do any eyeshadow at all whatsoever. So, you know, priorities. But I just like buff it in with this little brush side. It's so cute. It's so easy. You can't go wrong. So yeah, lots of things happening, lots of things changing. Nothing that I am at liberty to discuss, of course. I'm using the Hourglass powder. But yeah, it was really exciting. I had a good time. Sorry, I can't like powder and talk at the same time apparently. But yeah, so that was fun. I had something else I was going to talk to you about, and now I don't remember what it was. My memory, man. Like a goldfish. I'm not going to discuss the James Charles Tati shenanigans, because I don't care. And that's it. Plain and simple. I do not care. I don't care. So, I'm not going to discuss any of that. Have I been following it? Absolutely. But I'm not going to talk about it. It's been talked to death at this point. Okay, I'm going to use Cabral from, that's what this is called, right? From Benefit, just because I haven't used it in a while. That's how long it's been since I've used this, apparently. Somebody commented once if I could do my brows on camera. I'm going to do like a dedicated... I just tried to use this as a mirror. I'm going to do a dedicated brow video. Because I do my brows the same way. Like I do the same technique regardless of what brow pencil I'm using. Or regardless of what kind of format I'm using. So I'm going to do a whole video on that. Because brows are boring. Brows are boring. Especially if you do your brows the same way all the time. Something in my eye. But, because somebody asked, I will do a dedicated brow video. I'm going to be home a lot more this next, like, week and a half. Because my aunt is going on vacation. So I need to be home to take care of our cats. So I'll be home more, so I'll be able to kind of do more videos. I don't like doing videos when she's home. Because that's time that I am spending with her, and I don't want to be doing videos during our hangout time, because we both have very busy schedules and we don't get a lot of time to spend together anymore. So I try to do videos before she gets home, and once she's home, no more videos. So since she's going to be out and I will be here where all my camera equipment and stuff is, I will be able to do some more videos. Pro Prime from NARS. Let's see, I'm trying to think if there's anything else of interest to talk about. I don't know, I'm pretty boring. I don't do anything. Today is the Sunday of Memorial Day weekend, so I was off today, so I was just like running around doing stuff. Like I said, I'm going out with my friend tonight. We're just gonna go get some drinks when she gets out of work. And then tomorrow is Memorial Day, and I somehow miraculously have the day off. I don't know how, but you know, blessed. So one of my friends from school is having a party, like a barbecue pool party thing. So I'm going to go to that. I bought a bathing suit today. Y'all, let me grab my brushes and I'll tell you a story. Okay, so yesterday, before I went to work, Dean and I went to the mall, and I went to Forever 21, excuse me, because I told him I needed a bathing suit for this party. And so we went to go get a bathing suit, and I tried on like 8 bathing suits, and none of them fit me. And we're about to get like real and what am I trying to say? We're about to get real here, okay? I danced for a long time. I did ballet, and if you've ever done ballet, you know that like the way that ballet shapes you to view your body is really messed up. So even though I no longer dance, and I have not danced for like 10 years now, my brain still has that like ballerina mindset mentality about how my body should look. So I was trying on these bathing suits, and none of them were fitting me. And now in hindsight, it was not me, it was not my body, it was the Forever 21 size bathing suits. And I got so much anxiety in the fitting room that none of them were fitting, and I just I felt like trash. And I was like, I came out and I said to Dean that none of them fit, and I said I wanted to leave. So we left. And like, now it sounds really stupid that I got anxiety over bathing suits, but I've always had, I haven't even told Dean any of this yet. I'm telling y'all first, okay? That friendship. I've always had a really like bad relationship with my body, I guess, because I did dance for so long, and I was always very skinny, and it was not something that I was like trying to do. I was just skinny. I've always been skinny. And then plus with the dance, then I was skinny and kind of not muscly, but like toned. Like I was very fit. I looked very fit. So since I stopped dancing and since I've been on birth control, I've gained some weight. I am by no means like overweight or anything like that. I think technically I'm still considered underweight. But like, I don't know. I'm trying to come to terms with, it's not even coming to terms with my body. It's coming to terms with my own brain and how I perceive myself. So I was really discouraged about bathing suits. And now I feel dumb telling you about it. But today I went to Target and I was like, okay, these are like real people sized clothes. Let's try that and see what happens. So I went to Target and I found a really cute bathing suit, and I got it and I feel a lot better. I don't know what the moral to this story is. I don't know what the point was. I don't know why I felt the need to tell you. I think I just needed to tell somebody. Somebody that wasn't Dean, because I know Dean is so understanding and he wants me to talk to him about stuff, but I just have, I don't know. I don't know what it is. I'm bad at feelings. How do I have feelings? I don't know. I don't know how feelings work. I don't like having feelings. But anyways, if you're in the same boat I am and you're trying on clothes for summer and you're just giving yourself anxiety in the fitting room about it, it's okay. It's probably not you. It's not your body. It's probably the store you're shopping at, to be quite honest with you. So go to stores that have like real people clothing sizes, like Target, and you'll be okay. You'll be okay, my friend. I'm using the I Love palettes. These are new from Sephora collection. These are so cute. This one is the medium cool. I love these little palettes. I did get this from the Sephora collection team while I was in Vegas. They gave this to us, so thanks Sephora collection. But I have used these on clients. I absolutely love them. I think I'm gonna do, I kind of want it like smoky. I'm gonna do this last glittery shade, shimmery shade. And these brushes, these orangey ones, these are the magnetic brushes. So they have I don't know how long I've been talking. These brushes with these brassy handles, you can get like a metal plate, and they have magnets on the bottom, so the magnets will stick to the metal plate, so you can like display them and have some cute storage. Oh yeah, these are pretty. Or I mean, this shade is pretty. I knew the palettes were pretty. I don't think everybody got the medium cool. I think some people got different palettes, but I got this one and my roommate got this one too. Yeah, I really like that. See, now I wish I had a brown liner. I would put brown in my waterline instead of black, but I don't own a brown liner. Can you believe that? All the makeup I have and I don't own a brown eyeliner. Okay. Pencil brush. Switching back to my, I don't know why I cleaned it off. I'm using the same shade. This itty bitty brush just to blend that out a little bit. I love this itty bitty brush. At the conference, I was like, who do I speak to about getting Sephora collection to make a teeny tiny brush like this? I'm gonna take this one and just put that right in here. Brighten it up a little bit. I think I want to keep the brow bone matte. But I want some shimmer in here. These are so pretty. And then the matte, the big shade, your like setting shade that I only use for highlighting. Clean up down here, give it a little highlight. Okay, so I'm gonna curl my lashes, apply mascara, put black around, and then I'll be back. Ooh, look at them eyes, soft and sultry and sexy. Maybe they're not soft, but they are sultry and sexy. Yes. Okay, face. Shrew. Hi, how are you? Back a little bit more. Hi. Contour here. Kevyn Aucoin powder. No one's surprised. Just giving myself some cheekbone. Okay, bronzer. Again, no one should be surprised. I need to clean this brush though. My sad looking chocolate Soleil. I know I should open another one. I know I should. Nobody has to tell me. I know. Oh, it's like falling apart as I'm swirling my brush in it. Okay. So just giving myself some color. Because right now, I'm looking a little pale. I don't know what I'm going to wear tonight either, so there's that. I'm just fucking winging it, I guess. Oh, I cursed. Sorry, I try not to curse on this channel. Blush. I couldn't be bothered to pick out another blush, and also, like, the highlighter I'm using is basically a blush topper, so this is Mood Exposure from Hourglass, my favorite nothing blush. This is the Smashbox Vlada Prismatic Petal highlighter. I haven't worn it in forever. So let's do it. Oh, yes. I'm gonna pile this on. Oh my god, yes! I love this highlighter. There are looks sometimes, like, that I do on clients where I'm like, damn, I wish we had that Smashbox highlighter in store still, because it would be perfect for the look I'm doing. Look at that. Oh my god, I love this highlighter so much. Don't go too crazy on your nose though. And pile it on, keep it low. It's getting stuck to the lip balm I have on. Okay. That's enough. More on my cheek. Glowing. Right, Peanut? Woo! Okay, did a little bit too much on my lips still, but that's okay. I am happy. For lip, I keep putting this away even though I need it, the mirror. I'm just gonna put a gloss on because I don't care. This is one of the Urban Decay glosses. This one is Backtalk. Yes. Perfect. So this is the finished look. I'm gonna take my hair down. Oh, my hair was stuck. Yeah. Sorry this video was like kind of rambly and all over the place. That's just how my brain's been lately. Just rambly and all over the place. But yeah, I really like this look. This is a good, like, easy go-to, like, going out look if you needed one. When my hair is up, my bangs don't know what to do when I put them back down. What do you think, Peanut? Oh, okay, he doesn't care at all. Just walked away from me. But yeah, this is that. Thanks for letting me ramble and talk about my body and my insecurities. Oh god, what am I gonna wear? I don't know. But anyways, thanks for being here, supporting me. More videos are coming. I'm sorry I can't put videos out as often as I want to put videos out. I just don't have time. I don't have time for anything. So more videos are coming. I love you guys.